What's going on, guys?
What happened with your selfie stick?
I don't have a selfie stick. No, I didn't. What's going on, guys? Joining back here with another video. So today, guys, we are in Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like this.
Yo. What up, dog?
So
Yeah, nah, I ain't work today.
I'm with family right now,
Nah, I went to California.
and
Yeah,
yeah. So just I don't got okay. What's going on, guys? Joining back here with another video. So today, guys, we are in Las Vegas, Nevada. It took us at least 8 hours to get here. It 8 hours to get here. I'm gonna vote the clip of the plane lifting off and getting over here. So we're gonna go see my baby niece. As you saw, I only made one video with her, and that was newborn. And that was only 1 minute and 19 seconds. So I'll see you next clip. Peace. Alright, guys, so I forgot to mention that in this time lapse we are going to pick up my niece Avi. As you guys know, you saw in the newborn video that I was talking about. So this is where we're going to pick her up, but I end the video shortly because my hand was getting too tired, so I gotta get stuff for that. But then the whole purpose was to surprise my sister. So yeah, hope you liked the video. That was fun.
Can I see her screenshot?
Mission accomplished. We got the baby. Now it's time to have fun with the baby.
Mommy.
With the daddy bear. With the mommy bear. With the wheel. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say cheese. Cheese. And then we got Titi in the back. And we got Theo. So we'll see you in the house when we're playing, and my sister's gonna be cooking.
Okie dokie.
See you there. Alright, guys, we made it back home.
Is it comfortable?
We're gonna spend the next 10 minutes of a time lapse of just playing with Denise.
Hard.
No cursing, please.
Added like the blankets underneath.
You ready, Evie? Let's play. Let's play, Evie. We're gonna play. Alright, guys, so as you saw the time lapse, we did the little, the fast time lapse thing. So now for the main event, the title and thumbnail, it's the unboxing for my little baby niece's birthday. So let's see what she got. Avi, what is it? Wow! Wow! Say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese.
Say thank you.
Come on, Avi.
Say thank you, baby.
Avi, come on, look, help me. We didn't see that.
We have to build it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Come on, Avi. Let's watch it. Wow. The test case. Whatever that means.
Wait.
Wow.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, okay.
36. Oh, I thought it said 36
It
pieces.
says no, 36
Oh, I
months.
was about to say, oh no.
36 months.
Ready? Be careful. Be careful. You ready? Wow.
Oh, it's about to play.
There's 36
All right.
pieces.
Wow. I love you. Oh my gosh. All right.
Wow, you ready to boot it? You ready to boot it? Yeah. Alright, guys,
Oh,
so
this is for your fridge, baby.
I'm gonna make a time lapse of us building building starting now. You know, it's just a little quick one. You know, we all had fun. You got to see my princess and happy birthday to her. And yeah, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like, and turn post notifications on. And if you do, comment down below what I should do next. It's just your boy Gio. Say bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Avi, say bye. Avi, say bye. Dale besito. Avi, dale besito. Bye bye. And we out.